A place where people can mingle, de-stress, pursue their talents, spend a quiet Sunday morning is called Fun Street. The concept that is already famous in Mumbai has now been started at Dombivli by Dombivli Women's Welfare Society with its youth wing Naya Savera. In this video, we are going to meet Dr. Swati Gadge, the person behind this idea, and let her witness how exactly the humans of Dombivli spend their Sunday morning.
Dombivli Women's Welfare Society and Naya Savera is a team working in Dombivli since last 3 years. We are working on different avenues. But this one thought of Fun Street came to us when we realized that there are no avenues to have fun, to let my hair down and enjoy myself, to burst my stress which I go through the entire week. And then we came up with this idea of having a fun street, and it's basically a concept of claiming the streets. Unless I have the ownership feel, unless I own my town, I own my street, I may not be able to keep it clean as well. So this was a dual purpose which we thought we will achieve by doing this. So we presented this proposal to Commissioner, Honorable Commissioner of KDMC, and he loved it, and he just gave us a green signal that go ahead. And then we started planning. My youth wing Naya Savera as well as the women's wing, we all were very enthusiastically planning for the same. We took the necessary permissions from the road traffic officers, the Ramnagar police station and the corporation, and most importantly the fire department, and they gave us all the regulations that we need to follow. Once we got all the permissions, we just spread the message and it went out like a fire to all the artists around in Dombivli. And the concept was to have fun with hobbies, fun with recreation, fun with knowledge, fun with fellowship, and fun with bonding. So the citizens bond with each other as well as bond with the town. Because when we spend 2 hours at Phadke Road blocking the traffic and enjoying there with dance, drama, music, drawing, painting, mehndi, tattoo, face painting and whatnot, and balloons, and everybody from the age group, like from a toddler to a 80-year-old grandparents, everybody have something to do there, because we have yoga and we also have Zumba dancing, and at the same time we have pranic healing. So number of things are happening simultaneously on this stretch of road, which is around 350 meters only to begin with, because we will gradually definitely expand and grow, maybe also in other areas of the town. But to begin with, we thought of a central place, that's Phadke Road. So Dombivli East, West, also from the towns around us, that is Diva, Kalwa, Ambarnath, Badlapur. Anyone who comes to Dombivli station should be able to reach Fun Street in 2 minutes. So that was the purpose, and we launched it on 27th, and there were a number of kids enjoying with balloons and colors and dancing. And this is happening over last few Sundays that since we've started, and we expect a huge response, because every day we are getting calls to know the details, and people are inquiring about how they can participate, what performances they can give. There's a lot of eagerness and enthusiasm that we are finding, and this itself shows that there was such a big lacuna in our town, because the only way to enjoy otherwise was to loiter on the roads doing nothing, or go out to eat, or then go and watch a movie in a mall. There was no other venue where I could really have some recreation, something to drive my brain, something to keep my hobbies up, something to keep me connected with my own senses in this world of extreme stress that we go through. Our theme for this project is Learn to Unlearn, and that's what we want all of you to do. And I appeal to all Dombivlikers and also to people around that you have to come here, unlearning things which you have been doing for so many years. Just let your hair down, shake a leg with us. Also calm your mind doing yoga and pranic healing, and it's entirely a non-commercial venture. It is totally free and it's open to all. So I invite all of you. It's an open invitation, and with lots of love from all of us and lots of fun, we wish you great happiness in life. Please join us every Sunday between 8 and 10 in the morning at Phadke Road, Dombivli East.